How to fix Snapchat camera app error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'm quickly going to show you how you can fix your Snapchat camera error. Now when you try to open up your Snapchat, it says that it has an error and it cannot open up the camera. Now most of the times this happens because your camera permission of Snapchat is denied on your phone. So to simply check it, you can open up your settings, or you can also tap and hold the app of Snapchat and open up app info. From the settings page here, you'll have an option of app permission. You can tap on it and make sure that camera is set to allow. Now once you do that, you should pretty much be able to use Snapchat's camera without having any issues. Now if this still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is you can try to update your app of Snapchat. Now as I earlier said, if your problem is not fixed by the process that I just showed you, this could be caused because there is simply a bug in your system, and updating apps helps to fix these kind of bugs. So search for Snapchat, and if there is an update, make sure you tap on update. The other thing that you can also do is you can again go back to the settings of Snapchat, and then you can tap on clear data and tap on clear all data. Now what this does is it's going to log you out of your Instagram, and you'll again need to type in your credentials to log in. Now once you do a couple of these steps, you should be able to work your Snapchat camera without any issues. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.